Good day, tutor and classmate. Today I'm going to share with you the task 2, describe and comparing your city. I am Luis Felipe Bolaños and I live in the municipality of Bolivar, in the department of Cauca. My town is very small, has 10,000 inhabitants. Living here is very nice. It's a quiet town surrounded by nature, located in the south of the department of Cauca. This is a farming town. There are no factories. People work in crops to live. This is a small town, but we have many institutions, such as the town hall, the hospital, the library, the sports complex, the educational institutions, and 5 parks where people can enjoy traditional foods such as empanadas, tamales, and fries, and others. Also, the people of the city are very devout to the Virgin of the Hill. Every last week of August, people make a pilgrimage to the hill, where 50 years ago the Virgin made an apparition. And for people who like cultural demonstration, black and white Bolivar carnivals are some of the best in Colombia. Each year, in the first days of January, this festival is celebrated with the participation of national and international artists, as well as the elevation of the most beautiful paper balloons in the world. Thank you very much.